DoorDash just partnered with robotics companies to test autonomous delivery. Uber Eats already has robots delivering in Los Angeles. If you think this doesn't affect you, watch what happens next. This isn't doom and gloom about losing your job next week. This is real talk about what's happening now, what's coming in the next 1 to 3 years, and how you can protect your income. In the next couple minutes, I'm breaking down what robots are operating right now and what they can and cannot do, how this affects your earnings, and specific strategies to stay profitable if you deliver for DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, or even Instacart. You need this information? Let's go. Let's start with reality, not future predictions. What's operating today? Well, Uber Eats, Los Angeles. Uber partnered with Serve Robotics. Autonomous robots are delivering food in LA right now. They navigate sidewalks, cross streets, avoid obstacles, deliver to doors. Customers unlock the robots with their phone, takes the food. No human to deliver. 0. Starship college campuses, over 1,000 robots on campuses nationwide. George Mason, Purdue, University of Pittsburgh, they're not experimental. They're normal infrastructure delivering thousands of orders daily. Amazon Scout, well, Amazon tested food delivery robots in neighborhoods. Programs scaled back, but not abandoned. They're refining technology for future expansion. And then you have Nuro, the street legal autonomous vehicles partnered with Domino's, CVS, Walmart. These aren't sidewalk robots. These are actual cars designed for delivery. DoorDash now, no widespread deployment yet, but they've invested in autonomous companies and publicly stated automation is a part of their strategy. It's coming to your platform. Bottom line, delivery automation isn't future talk. It's actually here. Multiple cities, multiple platforms, and it's expanding right now. Okay, robots exist. Are we all unemployed? No. Here's why. Robots have massive limitations that protect human drivers, actually. When you think about apartments, you can't navigate buildings, lock doors, elevators, or find unit 3B down the hallway. A huge percentage of deliveries actually require this. You're safe there. Okay, let's talk about stairs and terrain. Struggle with hills, broken pavement, construction, obstacles. Challenging terrain means human drivers win. Okay, let's talk weather. Rain, snow, ice, confuse sensors. Navigation fails completely. They get stuck. Humans adapt. Robots don't. Let's talk complex instructions. Leave at side door, or hand it to me personally, or ring 3 times until I come to the door. Robots follow basic scripts only. Problem solving requires humans. Okay, let's talk large orders. They're very limited to cargo capacity. Can't handle Costco runs, cases of water, catering orders, multiple restaurant stacks. Grocery delivery stays human. Let's talk customer interactions. They can't reassure customers, answer questions, help elderly people, solve problems on the spot. Yeah, you need a human for that too. You need the human touch. Theft and vandalism. Robots get tipped over, food stolen, equipment damaged. Certain neighborhoods, they're not viable. Human drivers protect deliveries. Well, humans can steal too. I guess that's a thing. Okay, here's the reality. Robots take easy delivery, short distances, simple drop-offs, good weather, flat terrain, single-family homes. Complicated deliveries, apartments, weather, problem-solving, heavy orders, you still need humans. That's true for the next 5 to 10 years. In my opinion, minimum. So how does this affect your money? Well, the next 1 to 2 years, most markets see minimal change. Robot delivery limits to test cities. But if you're in LA, the Bay Area, or college towns, or anywhere, I think Phoenix, Arizona just rolled this out, you'll see fewer shorter, simple deliveries in the near future. Your average distance might increase, more apartments, more complex orders. Is that bad? Sometimes not necessarily, if the pay is right. Longer deliveries often pay more. Complex deliveries robots can't handle might be more profitable with less competition. While in the 3 to 5 year mark, more significant robot competition, platforms prefer robots because they don't need tips, they don't complain, and they can work 24/7. This means fewer total deliveries for us human drivers, a lower base pay on simple orders. How low can it go? More pressure to accept difficult deliveries. But here's the opportunity. As robots take simple stuff, human drivers become specialists. Specialists get paid more. If you efficiently handle apartments, difficult terrain, shopping, bad weather, customer problems, you become more valuable, not less. So the 5 to 10 year mark, nobody knows for sure, but there will always be deliveries requiring human judgment and problem solving. The question is whether it supports a full-time income. My prediction is gig delivery shifts from mass market job anyone can do to maybe a skilled service requiring expertise. Drivers with expertise thrive. Drivers who just follow GPS and just do food delivery might just struggle. Here's how you can protect your income starting today. Number one, become the apartment specialist. We all know they're a big pain in the butt, but master apartment deliveries. Learn building layouts, gate codes, parking spots. You get orders robots just can't touch. This alone protects 30 to 40% of a lot of urban deliveries if you live in an urban area. Number two, multi-app mastery. Run DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, any app simultaneously. When one platform automates, you have a backup. Diversifying is survival in the future. This isn't going to be popular, but you can focus on grocery delivery. Instacart shipped, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Robots can't shop stores, read produce quality, handle substitutions, or carry heavy items upstairs. This is your safest long-term bet, if you ask me. Next, work when robots can't. Bad weather, night shift, peak hours. Robots fail in the rain and snow. Demand spikes overwhelm robot capacity. You become essential when conditions get tough. 5, build customer service skills. Be the driver customers request by name. I have a lot of regular customers I see weekly. Friendly, professional, solve problems. Platforms keep drivers with high ratings and customer loyalty. Robots can't build relationships. Faster you complete deliveries, the more money you make. Learn shortcuts. Master restaurant pickup timing. Reduce dead miles. Efficiency makes you more competitive even with robots. Number 7, don't put all your eggs into one delivery basket. Add different apps like rideshare, freelancing, an online business. Get a side hustle, get a side business. Now's the time to do that. When delivery income drops, you always have a backup. It's always good to have multiple forms of income coming in. Number 8, stay informed. Join communities, Facebook groups, Reddit groups, and follow for announcements. Watch channels like this one. Early information gives you time to adapt before changes actually hit your market. These 8 strategies create multiple layers of protection. Implement them now, not when the robots arrive in your city, hopefully years down the road. So here's a quick breakdown by platform so you know what to expect. Uber Eats, most aggressive. Robots in LA now and a couple of other cities. Timeline 1 to 2 years in major metros. Strategy shift to Uber. Grocery delivery, if you still want to keep working the platform. DoorDash is testing partnerships. The timeline 2 to 3 years in most markets. Strategy, stay diversified. Focus on complex deliveries. Grubhub, the slowest adaptation to this. Timeline could be 3 to 5 years or more. Strategy is safe haven for traditional delivery longer than its competitors. So if you're into food delivery, that might be your option. Instacart is the hardest to be automated. Timeline, 5 to 10 years plus, if ever. Strategy, this is your best long-term bet. Invest time becoming an excellent shopper. Amazon Flex, heavy automation coming. Timeline, possibly 2 to 4 years. Suburban areas. Strategy, don't rely on this as a primary income. Different platforms automate at different speeds. Diversify and focus on slower to automated platforms. Delivery robots are here. They're expanding. That's inevitable. They will affect your income at some point. That's reality, but you're not helpless. Implement some of these strategies and you'll thrive as automation expands. Your action plan, diversify across platforms. Focus on deliveries robots can't do. Develop skills that make you more valuable than a robot is. Build alternative income streams. Stay informed. The future is changing, but it's not ending. Make sure you're the driver platforms want and the customers want. So let me ask you, what do you think about robotic delivery? Do you think that it is here and we should be concerned? Do you think it's years down the road? Do you think it will ever affect us as delivery drivers? I talk a lot on this channel about DoorDash. Well, if you're looking to binge watch the next DoorDash video, I'm going to suggest this one up next.